Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. A. Chemical Z moves via facilitated diffusion using transport proteins. DNA amount indicates phase because G1 cells have a baseline amount of DNA, S phase cells have intermediate amounts during replication, and G2 cells have double DNA content. B. The dependent variable is the percentage of cells in each phase. Untreated cells serve as a negative control for baseline. Comparison. Chemicals B and C serve as positive controls to validate the assay's ability to detect blocks at S and G2. C. Chemical Z blocks G1 because its distribution mirrors chemical A. Of cancerous T cells. Reasoning, chemical Z also inhibits normal T cell division, since these cells must proliferate to mount an effective immune response against pathogens. Blocking